This particular assignment is something that I need to go over with you, share some examples with, and then you can complete the rest of it on your own. I will tell you, whenever you do this identification chart activity, and hopefully you have this document in front of you at this point, it's the next icon or two down from where you clicked on this link. Do not, I can't stress this enough, do not use your periodic table. Basically because the periodic table does not contain any isotopes. And whenever we do these charts, whether it's on quizzes or tests or in this activity, there's isotopes all throughout this. So if you use your actual periodic table, it'll confuse you and you won't get things right because there are no isotopes on it. You don't need the isotopes. Basically, if you can add and subtract, you can do these charts. And I'll show you what I mean by it. Okay? So let's say that we start with the element lithium. And if I give you just 2 bits of information, you can complete the rest of the chart. So I have given you that it has 3 protons and its mass number is 7. Well, we can fill in the other 3. So realize protons is atomic number. They are exactly the same. So these numbers will all be identical the whole way down in these charts. So because there's 3 protons, that means the atomic number for this is also 3. The other thing for right now, until we talk about ions, is electrons. Electrons and protons for right now are also identical. So the number of electrons are also 3 in this case. So really these 3 columns for this activity the whole way down are all going to be identical numbers. So the last blank we have then is number of neutrons. So the way you figure out neutrons is through mass number. Mass number's definition that you saw in the notes is the number of protons plus neutrons. So 3 plus what equals 7? Well, in this case, it is 4. So a lithium atom has 4 neutrons, basically. All right, so how about carbon then? Well, for carbon, if I've given you the number of neutrons is 6 and the atomic number 6, you can give me the other 3. So what's some of the other answers? Well, atomic number is the number of protons. So in this case, this is also 6. Remember, for right now, protons is equal to electrons. So since it's 6 protons, that means it's 6 electrons. What would the mass number be? Well, it's basically protons plus neutrons. So 6 plus 6 then is obviously equal to 12. That's basically how easy this activity is. So I'll just do one more and then you can finish this off on your own. So neon, if I give you that it has 10 protons and the neutrons is 10, what can you tell me? Well, protons plus neutrons is mass number. So 10 plus 10 in this case is 20. So you can fill in 20 for the mass number. Since it has 10 protons, that means its atomic number is also 10 in this case. Again, because protons is atomic number. And again, protons and electrons for now are equal. So in that case, this would also be 10. So again, don't look at your periodic table because there's going to be some isotopes in some of these examples down, any of these. So just work through it the same way I just worked through these examples. Protons equals atomic number. Protons equals electrons. Protons plus neutrons is mass number, and you can't go wrong completing the rest of this then.